All right, I'm about to make some quick dinner on my truck. Let's see how it goes. All right, first I get me these 2 sausages. I'm gonna peel the skin off. Hard to do that with one hand, but you get the idea. Next, I just cut them off to little pieces. All right, next we're gonna add a little bit of seasoning on it. And then we're gonna flip it around a little bit. A little bit of butter. And then we got it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna dice some cheese. All right, all diced up. And now let me get the rest of my salad. All right, I got my bowl of salad and then my meat. Oh yeah. And then boom, there you go. Cheese, meat, salad, and dinner served. Bon appetit.